Yo, 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 what's up with it? It's your boy Miggity Main, and you are tuned into the Gold Rush Show. I still got Young C in the building promoting
Still
the
here,
Inked
still
Up
here.
clothing line. We got CM Compton. What's going on with
Yay.
you? Let's get into what you bringing to the table. We promoting and we doing beats. What's happening with you?
Man, right now what I'm doing is I'm doing beats right now. Feel me? I'm trying to find local artists out there that trying to put their name out there. You feel me? Try to produce them, man. Try to make sure they out there. You feel me? Try to make them do something with their life. You feel me? There's a lot of people out here that are talented. You feel me? That want to rap, but they ain't got that right producer.
Right.
You feel me? They ain't got that right person to put their voice up there. You know what I'm saying? So really, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to show somebody that really want to get into this music thing, man, and just work with them. You know what I mean?
Well, how long you been into producing?
Producing really it's better been like 3 months, you feel me,
Okay.
4 months. But I've been dealing with it for like messing with it for like 5 years. You
Okay,
feel me?
okay.
But I really just started really getting serious into it. You know what I mean? I've been doing pretty good, man. I mess with artists like Tight Eyes, you know, and B. You feel me? My boy Roger from Compton. You know what I
Okay.
mean? He came down here like 3 weeks ago. We did a little beats called "Niggas in L.A."
Oh,
You
wow.
feel me?
Yeah.
And
Wilding out.
yeah,
Yeah,
we
man.
wilding out. You know, they came through. They seen the little hyphen movement that they got over here.
Okay.
They trying to push it over there. They heard Jay Diggs rap. You know what
Right.
I'm saying? And
Yeah,
they didn't really
Diggs.
know who that was.
Mm.
And they heard Mac Dre. They're like, whoa. You know what I mean? We gotta step.
Step it up a little
Yeah,
bit.
they gotta step it up a little bit. I guess Kanye ain't doing that good.
Mm.
So
Like, what made you want to get into like producing? Like, or favorite producers, or was it a beat that you
well,
heard?
really, who I admire the most, and I've been admired since I was a little kid, is Dr. Dre. You feel me? I've been
Right.
watching Dre since man. You know what I mean? I used to be in school, not even pay attention to school.
Yeah.
I'm in YouTube. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm making videos, looking at Dre's videos. You know what I mean?
Right.
And that's what made me want to produce, man. Since I was a little kid, I love music, man. I love hearing people rap. I love hearing the music come out the radio and just play it real
Yeah.
loud. You know what I mean? And that's what I'm trying to do, man. I'm trying to have somebody that anybody, you know,
Right.
not just anybody, somebody that really wants to put the
Wanna
effort
go
into
all
this.
out.
Yeah, you know what I mean, and knows what to say when it comes down to getting on this mic. You feel me?
So see, like, how did this hook up? How long y'all been a team? You know what I mean?
Oh, we ran
Been a
into each
minute.
other at the club.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Party here,
Oh.
everywhere, spend money.
Okay.
This dude, he got it. You know what
Right.
I mean? So.
Oh,
out
you
there just
showing
having
up in
fun.
the club having a good one? Like, this guy's here again?
Well, he knew me before. I think even the word Young C was even
Okay.
up. He knew me by my
Yeah,
name.
I seen C. I was like, oh man, who's this cat?
Yeah.
Man, I'm in the club with
Yeah.
hella bottles. I'd be like, man, I gotta get this cat in my VIP
Right.
section or something. You feel me? Because once C is in the building, girls
Yeah.
go crazy, man. You feel me?
Hell yeah, I'm
Real
already,
shit.
It's
I'm
crazy.
already
So once
knowing.
Compton and C's in there, it's like the Lakers just walked in. You
Right.
feel me? Like Kobe and Shaq just came through and just did their thing. You feel me? And yeah, that's how we met, man. We met at the club, and we just started messing with each other ever since, man. We hit the club together now. You feel me? We see each other. We ride. You know what I'm saying? We
So
my
when,
boy
when,
right
when
here,
we get
man.
back, when you return back into doing the music, y'all got like a lot of tracks just sitting back, or
Well-
you know what I mean? I'm assuming you're gonna be involved.
Yeah, we'll get to it.
production wise.
I got a lot of people want to do stuff.
Okay.
I put it all on hold. They know. They're there.
basically, I'm just waiting for him. I want him to really push this
The
clothing
clothing
line
line.
thing first. feel
and
me?
let you
And
let
once-
you get your foot in with the
yeah,
beats.
you
and
feel
then-
me? Yeah.
okay.
Once I see that his clothing line's pushing a little more forward, cause he got a lot of how can I say that? He got a lot of pressure built into him. You feel me? With his clothing line, you feel me?
It's a lot
But
riding.
he's going
on it.
good,
yeah,
though.
it is.
It's a lot
yeah,
riding.
it's a lot
on it.
riding. I got
It's a lot riding
my
on it.
investor. You know,
Right.
he's taking a big risk.
Mhm.
So I got to prove him wrong.
Right.
And not only him, he
But-
knows I got it.
The haters.
And the haters and the people that didn't want to mess with me. You know what I mean? So I'll just look back and laugh. Everybody might say, why is Young C acting so mellow today?
Right.
It's called that cough medicine in the morning, you know, my throat. So if you know what that is, you know what I mean? You'll know what it is.
We leaning.
Feeling a little under the weather.
So
Feeling a
anyway,
little under the
yeah,
weather.
so
We
I-
in cloud
Look,
nine.
yeah, I woke up with my throat a little hurting. Cough medicine does the job. So shout outs to that. You guys see me though. Ink Up is gonna. You guys will be wearing it. Trust and believe. If you are one of the haters that think it ain't gonna blow up, and you wearing my stuff, I'm gonna give you a hug just for that. You know what I mean?
Oh wow!
I'll give you a
wow.
hug just for that. But Young C, stepping back from the music, I got clothing line's a 24-hour job. my goal is to start making jobs for other people. I
Right,
might even run
right,
for president.
Right.
I mean, if I can make some jobs for people, helping me out, I don't mind paying you. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So
We collaborate with everybody, man.
yeah. So
Everybody.
one day I might be like Rob. With that Fantasy Factory.
Right.
So
Rob
that's
Dyrdek,
where I'm trying
right?
to be. That's where I'm trying to
Right.
be. So
But I mean, and even with that being said, like I mean, I'm sure of this. I don't know if we're at this point, but like, maybe a skater marketing it, and
Yeah,
you know what I mean. So I'm sure you have certain people in mind that who
yeah.
possibly you're looking at. In
Well,
a
we're getting
sense.
into that. We got my boy Ken.
Mm-hmm.
That boy, he could ride.
Mm-hmm.
That boy, he's good, and he's gonna do a photo shoot with the whole skateboard scene.
Right.
Get into that,
Mm.
and just put it on. If you tat it up, that's you know what I mean. You tat it up, you live in the
Right.
style.
It's the
Why not
everything.
wear
Then you
ink
go
up?
with the clothing.
Right.
Why not wear ink up? Support me.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, basically, if you
You're
want to look,
supporting yourself if you're inked
Yeah.
up. Right?
yeah, if
Like-
you want to
Yeah.
look clean for your videos,
Right.
you feel me? Just man, rock with us. You feel me?
Yeah.
Rock
Mm.
with my boy over here, man.
So
It's clean.
yeah, it's good. Life is good right now. Hopefully, this time next year, we might even you be in a bigger radio station.
Right. Well, hopefully,
Hopefully,
and we, if we're not doing this sitting right here, we're doing it over the phone
Over
or
the phone or
what? Yeah,
something.
but
I have nothing but love. You know what I mean? You been rocking with me, tough. You showed me a video where we're at Fats.
yeah, that
I
you
was-
totally forgot
I
about
forgot
it.
about.
Yeah,
I had no
yeah,
tattoos on my
yeah.
face. I think.
No, you did. You
Did I?
did.
I
You
probably had a
did.
couple of them.
You no, you did. You did.
Yeah,
you
so-
did. You did.
I'm over here trying to catch it with my ink game too, because everybody out here is passing me up. I'm like, hold on.
So let's talk about last time you was here. You had the homie Dana with you. How Dana doing? Like
He's doing good.
he
Buna,
doing
they all
alright?
just got the little. They were down for a minute.
Yeah.
Roddy.
yeah.
So they out. They're pushing. They're gonna be performing.
Okay.
Saturday.
for the
Check 'em out.
the red carpet
Check
event.
them out.
Check them out.
Okay.
They're doing good. And the last time I was here, we were talking about, and I was pushing a hard line on A2I.
Yes.
It's
yes.
a tattoo
yes.
thing. Addicted to ink.
Yes. Remember, because I was saying it to you, like, people might get confused and thinking this was a gang, and it was a
Yeah,
big,
yeah,
because
yeah.
it was so big on Facebook. Like, it
got
was
crazy.
so big.
And if you see how I took a 3-letter word and made it one of the talk of the town, talk of the whole Northern California, what do you think I'm gonna do with my clothing line? You know what I
Wow.
mean? So it's gonna be crazy. A2I got too political for me. You know what I mean?
Yes.
It got way too political.
They
people,
talk too much.
People
Yeah.
were taking in the wrong view. I still got love for the CEO of A2I, Gutta Mac. Nothing but love. He shows me love, and it's like I had to step back.
Right.
We got someone else running the A2I NorCal, but it ain't even like how I had it. But I mean, if I really wanted it to be the way people thought it would have been, it would have been crazy. You know
Right.
what I mean? I would have started a whole new gang if I really wanted to. But I wasn't looking at that. I was looking at supporting people that are tatted up and live the lifestyle of being addicted to ink.
And I don't think it's nothing wrong with, you falling back from something that it got out of hand.
It got out of
And
hand.
and
It got out of
like
hand.
basically, if my opinion or whatever doesn't matter at that point, why am I pushing this? So
I mean, I still got people that respect A2I, and they knew and know about what I was trying to push, the line I was pushing,
right.
and they still show report. They showed the whole support of it. But like I said, I'm stepping back from everything. Clothing line, ink up. Make sure you get it. It's gonna be everywhere pretty soon. You could go to the website. If you're a local artist, you want the help to sell a CD, I'll hook you up on there. We'll hook you up with a PayPal account so you can put your CD on. All the purchases will not go through me. They'll buy the CD from the website. You'll get the money on the PayPal. You got any shows? You got anything that I can help you out with? I'm here. Young C. I ain't hating. So I'm going ham with this line, man.
Yeah.
So hopefully, like I said, by this time next year, you're calling me on the phone like, where you at? I'm
Yeah.
in New York. Where you
Yeah.
at? I'm at. I don't-
I'm in the Bahamas, man.
Yeah, something
I got
like
I got a
that.
flight. You trying to catch it?
I would promote K-Win, but I can't stand that radio station. Man.
That's politics right there. When you talk about politics,
Man.
that is politics
I'm like,
at its finest.
They need
It's at its
if
finest.
I really could, I would have the money and create a local
Right. Just a
Started.
whole local station.
Yeah, because
they're
I
not
think we're
really
the
doing
only
much.
ones
They're
that
not
don't
doing
show
much.
love to anybody
Right,
like that.
right.
Like,
They're not doing much.
and that's going out of state. You go
Mhm.
to ATL, you go to LA, they're playing nothing but local
No,
artists.
nothing but.
You
Nothing
know
but.
what I mean? 2 Chains and them,
Mhm.
2 Chains, T.I., they were local artists.
Right. You
Game.
think 2 Chainz on the radio too much now. Had you been in Atlanta 6 months ago, you'd be like, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So,
yeah. Yeah, so it's just a whole support. So, like I say and said, rock with Ink Up.
Mhm.
If you got a video shoot, if you got anything, holla at me. I'll gear you up. We got snapbacks coming in. We got beanies,
Everything.
sweaters, hoodies, sweatpants. We got girls' booty shorts. We got, maybe we might even do socks.
you
You know
got
what I
no, you know what you got to do because the winter? The black tights.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
The black tights because you know they're going to rock them with the Ugg boots.
Yeah.
And you just do that. And then right
Those my
here, we got
favorite.
this.
So, I'm
I
giving
got
him
I got mine. So you
Yeah.
know what I'm saying. You make sure you go and get yours. This is inked up.
I
I got
have
the
ink
wristband and the shirt.
Yeah.
So
all
yeah,
love, baby.
man,
It's
like
all
this
love.
is
All
nothing but
love.
love right here. This
Yeah.
is and actually, oh wow, like I don't want to go back to the tape. I might be wrong if I say that one, but I know. Can I have some of that food right there? I know that this is the first. This is the first shirt I've got. This is the first article of clothing I've received.
Yeah.
And I want to say on the first interview, you was the first one to give me the shout out. I want to say, I didn't watch it over, but I
Yeah.
want to say, and then like, you know, like, I mean, look, man, you know, I didn't like ask you to come in here and do another interview because, oh, I was hearing about the music. Oh, I was hearing you about the club. Oh, I was hearing you do this and that. That is so nasty right there. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
But honestly, you know, I wanted to bring you back in just to talk to you, just to get
Yeah,
your thoughts, your opinions, and just to catch up with you. And then, like, you know, I mean, like I said before, like you're more than welcome to come back anytime I can
yeah,
have
yeah,
you. I
yeah.
will have you.
I'll come
And,
back.
You know
that.
Next time, I'm assuming.
We're
Hope-
talking bigger and better things.
I give it next time I'm still here. The time after next, I'm probably not here.
Okay.
But the next time, I'm assuming we probably have like a couple of little girls in the inked up in the
Hey,
corner.
maybe.
We'll
And-
be here, man. We'll be
And
here.
it'll
Yeah.
probably be.
You might even see people walking around here at Delta with it.
Yes, we
No,
need to.
and that's what
We
I wanna
need to.
see.
We need to. Yes,
So
we need to.
if you got ideas, I got a thing on my on my website.
Mm-hmm.
Shoot me your ideas. If you want to see it on the shirt, I'll do it. But don't start talking prices and money.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right, you know.
So, because I got a couple that I got people hitting me up talking about. I got ideas, but how much am I gonna get out of it?
Oh yeah.
Man, I'm
Okay.
trying to get my money. First.
Right. You know.
So we're gonna be here at the Delta Flea Market starting next month.
Okay.
Get it out there. We're gonna be hitting tattoo conventions. Try to go.
Winner. That's a winner right
Yeah,
there.
so we're gonna just
We
hit
need to
everywhere
win
in
it.
the U.S. You know, just get into people's heads, and I mean that's what you got to do.
Mm.
Got to get into people's heads and support everybody around here. That's all
Yeah.
I say. I mean, I could list everybody's
Right,
name.
right.
You know what I mean? Just
Yeah.
support. If you see a local artist trying to come up, support. You know what I mean? Even any little thing will help.
That's what really Stockton needs, man. Support. You feel me?
Support.
Because we got all kinds of
Nice little
homicides
support
every
system.
day. You know what I'm saying? We got people not doing nothing with their lives. If they get that they support they need, then they might just be in the studio making music instead in the block. You know what I mean? Waiting to see who's slipping.
Yeah.
You feel me?
All right. So let's get this shout. You got some shout outs? Let's
Just
let's
shout
get
out
get
to. Let's give a shout
whole
out
line out.
to Ink Up.
Ink up.
Ink Up. But the big shout outs, the real shout outs is I got my boy Compton,
Mm-hmm.
Feel me?
Yeah.
my big brother Daynut, my big brother Boo Nut, rocking with your boy since day one. I think that's how far I gotta go. You know what I mean? And shout out to everybody.
Yeah.
Like I say, no love. You see me on the streets, you want some gear, holla at me. I got you. You see my suitcase, I
Yeah.
carry it everywhere.
Right.
That's my store right now. So,
I know, right?
You know what I mean? So maybe one day you guys be coming into a store and buying off me. Kingpin, get your gear from Kingpin. They're supporting me right now. Shout outs to you.
Oh
I
man.
do.
Hey, good looking.
You're showing
Come on,
nothing but
Compton. You got something?
Man, I want to
get
give a
something
shout out to all my ladies. You feel me?
the ladies.
You know I
Ladies.
love every single one of y'all. I love y'all very
Red
much.
bone, yellow bone.
Just because you see me
Chinese.
here, baby, don't mean nothing. I'm still the same. I'm still, you know what I mean, rocking with my boy C over here.
Yeah.
Shout out to Stockton, you know what I mean, keeping it worldwide. You know what I mean, all my boys in Compton, Roger, you feel me, Eric, all them, man, keeping it down. That's my love with my boy Brandon over here. We got him
Yeah.
in the building.
Let Brandon get up on. Come on now. Let's get a shout out. Let's let you shine,
Shout out to my
Mr.
baby
Football star out here.
Shout out to everybody. I ain't gonna leave nobody out. Forget about nobody.
There
Shout
you
out
go.
to everybody.
Yeah.
All love.
Hey,
All
and
love.
that's what's up, man. And I want to thank you again for
Oh,
coming
yeah.
through.
Charles, you
I'm
got the Ink
I'ma
Up shirt.
Thank you for the Ink Up shirt.
You
Thank
take-
you for the wristband.
Yes.
And then you know what I'm saying. We can do this again.
Anytime,
so,
man.
Anybody that's
know?
watching this on the live stream, if you end up buying something off me, go ahead and take a picture. I'll throw you on the website.
Oh wow.
Get you out there. You know
That's
what I mean?
nice.
Hey,
That's
mama,
nice.
shout
That's
out
a
to
nice
my mama
look.
too, though.
Shout
Had
out
to
to
leave
mom.
that out. Feel me?
Thank you,
I
mom.
appreciate you listening and supporting me.
Shout out to my baby mama. I'll never let it go.
Yeah, me too,
So
man.
right after this, I'll keep it real. I gotta go do my dad thing.
Hey, baby mama, stop playing with me, man.
I gotta go take care of my love. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? My love, Cecily. She's hurt a little
Yeah,
shoulder.
all you
No,
local
right.
artists that want to come
Yeah.
do something for
Yeah,
yourself.
where can they find you at, Compton? Let them know.
You can
Where
find
they
me on
find you at?
Charter Way. You feel me? I'll be there all day and all night. Or you can find me at 910-1932. You feel me? Area code 219, man.
Okay.
Come fuck with it, a.k.a. Hugh Hefner. You
Yeah.
feel me? A.k.a. Comptown. You feel me? That's how we do this shit, man.
Hey.
All right, we
So-
signing up out of here, man. This is
Sign us-
Biggity
All right,
Mays.
see
You
you.
listening to the
Compton out,
Gold
though,
Rush
you feel
Show.
me?
Shout out to Young C. Shout out to Compton. Shout out to Brandon
Delta
for coming
Radio.
through, man.
Delta
You
Radio.
already know what it is.
Yee.